Hello students, myself MD Irshad Alam, a teacher of intermediate Yogda Satsang Mahavidyalay. Today I will teach you a chapter which name is The Last Lesson. Before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you there are two books have been prescribed by Jack for 12 standard. First book's name is Flamingo and second is Vistas. So let's see the first chapter of Flamingo, the last lesson. It is very important chapter for the examination. Before starting the chapter, let's see first about the author. As you can see in your screen, the author name is Alphonse Daudet. He was born in France on 13th May 1840 and died 16 December 1897. He was a novelist, at once story writer. Before reading the story, you need to know something about it. So let's see. The last lesson is set in the days of the Franco-Persia War, which was fought in 1870. In this war, France was defeated by Persia. So, several changes came in the city and the school of Alsace and Lorraine. We will see also in the story several type of changes in the schools. As we know that the order came from the Berlin to teach German language in the district Alsace and Lorraine. In your screen, you can see the main characters of the chapter. The first, Mr. M. Hamel, a teacher of French language. Second, French, a little boy who studies in a school. Now, let's see the chapter. You can see the summary of the chapter in your screen. The story begins with the boy French. That day, he got up late in the morning and he was fearing to go to school because his teacher, Mr. M. Hamel, has given him homework about participles and he did not know the single word of participle. When he was come out from his house to go to school, then he saw several things in the road, like drilling of Persian soldiers, and he saw also several people were watching the bulletin board, but the child was not getting anything. When he reached in the garden of the school, then he found like Sunday morning, means everything was quiet. There was no sound. Students, you can see if you go your school or college on Sunday morning, then you will find silence because there were no students in the college or school. French was fearing too much because he did not know the single word of participles. Students, आपके साथ भी ऐसा कभी हुआ होगा जब आपको कोई चैप्टर याद ना रहा हो तो आपको भी काफी डर लगा होगा स्कूल जाने के लिए. आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो कि किस तरह से वो बच्चा फ्रेंच डर रहा होगा. After that, French peeped into the classroom through the window. Then he found every student was seated in their benches, but he found here something different. The respected persons of the village like formal mayor, formal postmaster, etc. They were also seated in the last benches of the classroom. After that, Mr. M. Hamill, teacher, started his lesson. He said, "It is your last French lesson because the order has come from the Berlin to teach German language in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. So, the new teacher will come tomorrow and he will start German language." When the little French heard this word, he amazed. वो चौंक गया. वो सोचने लगा कि आखिर ये क्यों हो रहा है. तभी उसके मन में ये बात आई कि अगर जर्मन लैंग्वेज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे तो फिर क्या होगा. अभी तो हमने सेंटेंस बनाना भी नहीं सीखा था. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको यहां पे समझने की जरूरत है. वो किताबें, वो बैग जो उस छोटे बच्चे को हमेशा भारी लगता था, आज उन सब के लिए उनके मन में प्यार उमड़ पड़ा. आखिर वो जानना चाहता था कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. After that, Mr. M. Hamill was very upset about the students because M. Hamill knew it very well. Students will no more learn French language and will never learn about their ancestors and saints. Lastly, teacher dismissed the class and said in the loud voice, "Vive la France, vive la France, France Jindabad, France Jindabad." Dear students, I hope you have understood the chapter very well. Thank you very much for listening me.